This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mark Lane. Rare find. Spectacular open floor plan in this 2,000 plus square feet all brick basement ranch home on a double lot that boasts a Hugh Backyard. This well-maintained home has many updates including renovated bathrooms with tile flooring and walk-in shower, custom blinds, interior paint, granite countertops, and waterproof LTV flooring throughout. No carpet. Spacious living room with plenty of natural light, newer appliances including refrigerator, range/oven, microwave, and newer water heater. Enjoy sunsets from your back deck overlooking very spacious backyard with custom-built tree house. The entire yard features an underground fencing for your pets. Attached one-car garage, unfinished basement that could easily be finished for extra space. Centrally located within city limits of Jefferson City. No HOA. Don't miss out on this rare find. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Lane at 865-693-1111.